Okay. Where was I? I did this table. So I didn't glue that on. I guess I should. I glued this together where the wire is apart, and I clipped it with a binder clip, and it stuck to the binder clip. So that was fun getting that apart, but it looks alright, and it sits up okay for the most part. It'll do. And I was going to show this on camera, but I've been having video issues, so I just made them when I felt like it. So let me explain. So you put these two pieces together, this wood piece on top of on the bottom of the other one, and then this is one single piece. And so if you put the glue here and here, it can rest up against that and glue that. And then you glue these two in there. There's 2 for that, and then there's 3 for the back. And I kind of had to like push down this part and make sure that I got the feet the same length as the front. So there's one, and there's the second one, and I think the first one looks better. But they're pretty cute, and they stand up alright. So that'll do. And did I show? I can't remember if I showed the piano all together. So there's that, and the little pillow on the chair, on the stool. Okay, so where are we next? Storage rack. Oh, let's look at the picture again while we're at it. So, piano, cute, 2 little chairs, table, and I assume some of those other, well, there's the bar, of course, but I assume like those other, because that's not the one I made, this isn't the one I made, I assume it's back there, is this guy, which I had to glue back together because I accidentally popped it apart trying to move something. I was looking at it and thought, this could be lined up in the center better, and I tried to just scoot it and it popped the whole thing apart. So, don't do that. Pardon me. And this little guy, like it might be this behind there. This little shelf here could be this. We'll see. I want to do things out of order, but I'm trying not to. I'm trying to be good and do things in the order it is in the book. So put that back. So my next step, which I will not show on camera because it's boring, storage rack. So I'm guessing that is this, based on what I'm seeing here, because this looks like it's a little rectangular cube, and then there's some shelves. Oh, and the mug hook. Yeah, that's it. So, so I'm going to be cutting some light brown paper. I mean, light wood paper. Well, we can pick out how many minutes am I? It's 4 minutes. Trying not to make these extra long because uploading them to YouTube is so slow. Pardon me. Bag 4. I showed before. I put bag 4 in here for the most part. Brown wire. I think that's this guy that I've used on other things. So I need 60 millimeters of brown wire. I can do that. We're on camera. So if you have a centimeter, millimeter ruler, just get it to the 6 and then give it a snip. that. And then let's go find our pieces. Since I already marked on here, well, but I do want to mark them off. So I need B29, this big L. There it goes. B23, this guy. B30. Two B21s. Two B22s. B19, this one over here. Boop. That's it. Okay, so that's all those. I'm going to mark them off. B29, B21, 22, 30, 19, and 23. I think that's all of them. And then the light paper. So I am going to, off camera, cut and probably glue the whole thing. Maybe I'll get this started and then I'll glue this on camera, possibly. But I'll at least come back to explain it. So tune in next time. Thanks. Bye.